Good afternoon, people. I am Jan Frederick Mososibagan. I graduated at Polytechnic University of the Philippines. When I was studying in that university, I taking up BS Mathematics. Now, I have a stable job at Bank of the Philippine Islands as a hard-working accounting assistant. When I was still in college, I worked at Miyako Pawn Shop as a clerk assistant at the Christian Crusade for Christ as a volunteer mathematics teacher. And I was also a part-time tutor in mathematics at La Consolada tutorial sessions. I know that it is enough experience, but I can do all my very best to suit your requirements. I have that confidence because I am I was a computer programmer, a literate and hardworking person, obedient and a role model to others. Thank you. Thank you for listening of my video resume. You can call me or text in number 0948 9791 or you can email me at jan.sipagan@yahoo.com. Thank you. God bless.